How to use Absorblim's review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Absorblim's is a learning management system designed to deliver, track and manage training. Beginners often make mistakes that slow training adoption and reduce learning outcomes. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not organizing courses clearly. Most users get this wrong by uploading content without categories or modules. Structure courses logically by topic, skill level, or department for easier navigation. Second mistake, ignoring learner assignments and deadlines. You won't believe how many administrators fail to set completion dates or reminders. Absorblim's allows automated notifications, which keep learners on track. Third mistake, underutilizing reporting features. The surprising truth is that Absorb provides detailed analytics on completion rates, quiz scores, and engagement. Use these to identify struggling learners or improve course content. Fourth mistake, neglecting mobile accessibility. Beginners often assume all learners will use desktop computers. Absorblim's works on mobile devices, so ensure content is mobile-friendly to increase adoption. Finally, not customizing branding and interface is common. Personalized branding improves learner engagement and trust. Adjust logos, colors, and welcome screens to match your organization style. Using Absorblim's properly means structuring courses, setting assignments, tracking progress, optimizing content, ensuring mobile access, and customizing branding. Avoid these mistakes and your training programs will run smoothly, efficiently, and with maximum engagement.